Ramogi TV, Mombasa.
Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto koro wacho ni onge chenro moro amora mar keto dho wath man nam chumbi lwet ji giwegi. Kaolosi romo mane okelo jodito mag duond bura mar UDA, Ruto lero ni piny owacho biro mana medo okenge mag timo ohala kod pinje ma limbamba.
Ni kwamba ile port sasa tunataka tuipanue vizuri na tuweke nafasi kubwa zaidi ya kuzalisha ajira na kuzalisha mali, kwa sababu ile port sasa iko na uwezo ya kuserve South Sudan, DRC, Rwanda pamoja na Burundi, hata pamoja na ndugu zetu wa Uganda hapa, na tunataka tuipanue kwa njia inayofaa. We are going to work with the private sector in that process, but the port will not be privatized. I want everybody to understand that. The port will not be privatized. We are going to work on a concession process that is going to make sure that we protect the interests of Kenya, we protect the interests of the port, but we work with the private sector to increase efficiency, to increase investment, and to make sure the port serves more people, creates more jobs, and becomes much more efficient and becomes much more broader and